North America awaits. Your adventure starts now. Are you ready for an unforgettable journey through the diverse landscapes and vibrant cities of North America? Imagine exploring the bustling streets of New York City, standing in awe of the Grand Canyon's grandeur, or savoring the flavors of New Orleans. From coast to coast, this captivating continent promises endless adventures and unforgettable memories. But before you embark on this incredible journey, there's one crucial thing to consider: staying connected. In today's digital age, seamless connectivity is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether you're sharing your travel tales on social media, navigating unfamiliar cities, or staying connected with loved ones back home, a reliable internet connection is your passport to a stress-free and enjoyable trip. That's where GigSky comes in. We provide the ultimate solution to all your connectivity needs with our innovative eSIM plans designed specifically for travelers like you. So, as you prepare for your North American adventure, let GigSky take care of your connectivity needs, leaving you free to explore, discover, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Your North American adventure starts now.
Gone are the days of fumbling with physical SIM cards, desperately searching for a local store to activate your phone. With GigSky's eSIM technology, staying connected while traveling has never been easier or more convenient. But what exactly is an eSIM, you ask? An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a revolutionary technology that's built directly into your compatible smartphone. This means you no longer need a physical SIM card to access the internet and make calls. Instead, you can activate a GigSky data plan directly on your phone with just a few taps.
Imagine this. You've just landed in a new city, eager to embark on your adventures. With GigSky's eSIM, you can activate your data plan instantly, right from your phone. No more searching for Wi-Fi hotspots or waiting in line at a carrier store, just instant connectivity at your fingertips. GigSky's eSIM plans empower you with the freedom and flexibility to stay connected on your terms. So ditch the hassle of physical SIM cards and embrace the future of connectivity with GigSky.
At GigSky, we understand that every traveler is unique, with different data needs and travel durations. That's why we offer a range of flexible eSIM data plans designed to cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're a light social media user or a heavy streamer, we've got the perfect plan for you. For short trips or those who need occasional data access, our regional North America plans offer the perfect solution. Choose from a variety of data allowances to suit your needs. Whether you need to check emails, browse the web, or share your travel highlights on social media.
If you're planning an extended adventure or require a generous amount of data, our larger North America plans provide ample data for all your connectivity needs. Stream your favorite shows, enjoy video calls with loved ones back home, and navigate with ease, knowing you have plenty of data to spare. And for ultimate flexibility, our global data plans offer coverage in multiple countries, making them ideal for multi-destination trips or frequent travelers. With GigSky, you can explore North America and beyond with complete peace of mind.
Choosing GigSky's eSIM plans for your North American adventure comes with a host of benefits that enhance your travel experience. Say goodbye to the stress of roaming charges and hello to seamless connectivity throughout your journey. With GigSky, you'll enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a reliable internet connection wherever you go. Our extensive coverage network ensures that you're always connected, whether you're exploring bustling cities or venturing off the beaten path. And if you ever encounter any issues, our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. We're committed to providing you with the best possible experience, ensuring that you can focus on what matters most, enjoying your trip.
With GigSky, you're not just getting an eSIM plan, you're gaining a trusted travel companion dedicated to keeping you connected throughout your North American adventure.